Welcome back to Autosphere, the place where innovation, luxury, and future mobility come together in one exciting space. If you're passionate about cutting-edge vehicles, next-generation motorhomes, and the evolving world of automotive design, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into something absolutely extraordinary. Get ready, because the 2026 Cadillac Predential Camper Motorhome is not just a vehicle. It's a full-scale revolution on wheels. The 2026 Cadillac Predential takes everything we know about luxury travel and pushes it into a new dimension. Cadillac has always been synonymous with class, comfort, and technology, but this time, they've stepped into the motorhome world with a bold statement. Adventure does not have to compromise elegance. From the moment you approach you realize this isn't just another camper. It's a mobile luxury mansion crafted for people who want to explore without giving up high-end living. On the outside, the Predential shows off Cadillac's signature design language with sharp LED lighting, a massive illuminated front grille, aerodynamic contours, and a commanding road presence. The oversized panoramic windshield gives you an uninterrupted view of the road ahead, while the sculpted aluminum body reduces drag and enhances fuel efficiency. With extended wheel arches, a sleek roof, and chrome-accented side panels, the motorhome looks more like a futuristic executive shuttle than a traditional camper. Powering this masterpiece is Cadillac's next-gen hybrid powertrain, combining a high-output electric motor with a refined turbocharged engine. The result is smooth acceleration, quiet operation, and impressive fuel economy for long-distance trips. Whether you're cruising through mountains, deserts, or city highways, the Predential delivers a smooth, stable, and confident ride. Thanks to its adaptive suspension and intelligent terrain response system, it adjusts itself in real time, giving you a premium driving experience no matter the conditions. Now, step inside, and this is where the Predential truly sets itself apart. Cadillac has created an interior that feels like stepping into the lobby of a luxury hotel. High-quality leather, handcrafted wood paneling, ambient lighting, and soft touch surfaces surround you from every angle. The living space is open and airy, thanks to a full-length skylight, large side windows, and a smart layout designed for comfort. The lounge area features 2 reclining executive seats, a foldable dining table, and a retractable 65-inch OLED display for entertainment, whether you're watching movies, checking travel maps, or browsing apps. The immersive screen transforms the whole cabin into a private theater. Moving toward the kitchenette, Cadillac has fitted premium appliances like an induction cooktop, a smart refrigerator, spacious storage cabinets, and a touch-controlled sink. Every detail is designed for convenience, ensuring that even while traveling, you can prepare meals with the same comfort as home. The bedroom is a masterpiece of luxury. A full queen-size bed with Cadillac's comfort foam technology, adjustable reading lights, climate control zones, and even a built-in noise cancellation system make it the perfect retreat after a long day on the road. You also get a walk-in closet space, something unheard of in most motorhomes. And the bathroom. It's designed like a premium hotel suite. A glass-enclosed shower, heated flooring, smart mirror, and water-efficient fixtures all come together to create a refreshing and comfortable environment. Technology is at the heart of the cabin is equipped with Cadillac's latest AI-powered assistant that controls lighting, temperature, navigation, and even entertainment through simple voice commands. The motorhome also supports full 5G connectivity, remote diagnostics, smart energy management, and solar panel integration on the roof for extra power support. Everything is designed to give you independence and convenience during long journeys. Cadillac has also prioritized safety with a 360-degree camera system, autonomous parking, blind zone assistance, LiDAR-based highway autopilot, and emergency braking. The Predential ensures peace of mind wherever you travel. In the end, the 2026 Cadillac Predential Camper Motorhome is more than a vehicle. It's a lifestyle upgrade. It blends Cadillac's legendary craftsmanship with advanced technology and unmatched comfort. For families, adventurers, luxury seekers, or anyone who loves exploring the world without sacrificing elegance, this motorhome brings an entirely new definition to premium travel. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to see more futuristic vehicle reviews, make sure to subscribe to Autosphere. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next journey of innovation.